Thanks for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava. Here's a look at the top headlines from across the globe. Counterintelligence Kashmir launches raids at 13 locations across the valley, reportedly in connection with ongoing investigation into the Srinagar Jaish-e-Mohammed conspiracy and Delhi bomb blast case. A CCTV footage reveals Dr. Umar Nabi visited a mosque in Old Delhi before carrying out the blast near Red Fort. The Kashmiri doctor remained inside the mosque for more than 10 minutes. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio praises India's measured and professional handling of Delhi blast probe, says Washington offered to help but New Delhi is capable in these investigations. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov says Moscow remains ready for a second Russia-US summit in Budapest, with contacts between the two sides continuing, though date has not been agreed upon. Ukraine's energy and justice ministers resign over the alleged involvement in corruption scandal in energy sector after Zelensky called for removal of German Galushenko and Svetlana Grinchuk on Wednesday.
It's an honor now to sign this incredible bill and get our country working again. Thank you.
President Trump signs a bill to end the longest government shutdown in U.S. history after the House of Representatives passes the legislation. The U.S. president accuses rival Democrats of extortion over the 43-day standoff. France marks a decade since suffering its worst attack in which jihadists killed 130 people in Paris through shootings and suicide bombings. The only surviving attacker has been sentenced to life in prison. Crude extended its drop after slumping the most since June, as OPEC said supplies will surpass demand sooner than anticipated, and President Trump continues to reiterate his goal to obtain gas prices at $2 per gallon. Sri Lanka cricket warns its players of action if they leave Pakistan following the Islamabad attack. The board says the tour will continue as planned despite safety concerns raised by several team members.